Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to unsave WhatsApp photos from your gallery on your device. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So follow these steps. To begin, launch WhatsApp and navigate to the chart section. You'll notice that the picture is already in your gallery. WhatsApp has a feature where photos sent to you are automatically saved in your gallery. To adjust this setting, click on the three dots located at the top right corner, then choose Settings, select Storage on Data. If you're using mobile data, ensure the Photos option is not selected and click OK. Similarly for Wi-Fi, set it to No Media. Make sure to configure the settings for when you're roaming as well. Once these adjustments are made, you're all set. Now we have to launch your gallery app on your Android device. Look for the folder named WhatsApp or Media within your gallery app. This is where WhatsApp media files are usually saved. Tap to open the folder, then browse through the photos saved from WhatsApp. Select the photos you want to unsave. Once the photos are selected, you can either delete them directly from your gallery app or move them to another folder. To delete, look for the Delete option in your gallery app. To move, there might be an option called Move or Move To in the menu. Choose the appropriate option and select the destination folder. Confirm the action when prompted. If you choose to delete, confirm the deletion. If you choose to move, confirm the new location. By following these steps, you can remove WhatsApp photos from your gallery app on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.